Have you ever thought that just maybe you have three types of people working for you? Richard Flint at richardflint.com describes these people three ways. You have sponges, spectators, and camels. In his video series, which is only $39 investment, I highly recommend that you go to richardflint.com. Go to the catalog and get the sponges, spectators, and camels. And then take that same information that Richard is imparting to you and determine if you love sponges, if you love spectators, or you love camels. And his good friend of mine, Jerry Kaminsky, says, hey, I love two hump camels. Yeah, $39. I don't make a dime out of that, but I guarantee you it will be in your leadership quiver forever in your people process. I'm going to show you a little spot on his website right now. All you have to do is go get the sponges, spectators, and camels, understanding the three groups of people that work in your company. Learn to understand and work with the three groups. You'll be absolutely amazed. richardflint.com. Get your sponges, spectators, and camels. Listen to it, enjoy it, then give me a call. Let me know what you thought. Was it worth the $39? And if it wasn't, I'll give you back $39. That, my friends, is one heck of an offer. Okay, to wrap this up, remember sponges, spectators, and camels. Richard Flint, richardflint.com. Spend $39 and find out more. And I'll bet you'll be better at the people that work for you. That's my tip. Call me, 270-282-1262. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.